Bafethu, there's no way. Whoever Othi Umanqoba Mngqithi must go and coach Kaizer Chiefs. It's disrespecting Kaizer Chiefs. You can't have a professional coach. Look how much space. Bafethu. Matata Kiao. 2 against 1. 2 against 1. Pass omunye umntwana. Angeke nifuna ukora nina nifuna ukora nodwa. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orlando Pirates 5, Golden Arrows 0. I know. Good result for the Pirates, and it's a good thing. The only thing that they can do, remember, Iliki, it's not on their hand, right? So the only thing that they can do is to win all their games and make sure the goal difference is favorable. When that happens, they put pressure under Sundowns. Sundowns, if they want to win the league now, they have to win all their games. Sharp. Going to the game. Manqoba Mngqithi ubulale team yakhe, ubulale ama-player wakhe. If I was Chiefs management, if bengu management ye Chiefs, this result yiyo beyizoyenza ukuthi igama lakhe ngil-scratch, ngil-cross. Because you can't go pound for pound the Pirates at Orlando Stadium. There's only one team that can do that, and that is the Sundowns. You don't have the quality. You don't have the quality to go pound for pound in the Pirates. Even how they defended stuck over fit. First minute or the 10 minutes in the game, I can already see a team that's going to lose against the Pirates. I'll show you how to spot a team here. And then I'll show you why Umanqoba failed his players. He failed the Golden Arrows. But before I start, I want to send a shout out to the new members, right? Patrick Mbetsi, Kop Muleli, Mr. Msimango, and Mr. Lamula. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for becoming members, the new members on the channel. Now, let's start. First minute of the game. Pressing. Now, when you play against a strong team or a team that is stronger than you, you need to decide, do we all press, right? We give space behind the defenders, or we close down the space a mover. We just let them play in front of us. So they decided to do what? They decided to press. And it sharp. Yeah, press Arosi. Pirates is trying to come out. They win the ball again. Ne? Sharp. Now look at this. You can't pass, Buffett. You can't pass the ball above your kitchen. Development. You pass the ball. You make sure with the ball, Leah Mtwini, then you make a move. Because there was a player here. There's a player here. Your teammate is here. He tried to pass this guy. Okay, sharp. We lose the ball. Now, if you want to see this team is going to win or lose against the Pirates, this is what you must look for. When Urile, the most informed player, or some of you can say the best player at the moment, right, is free. There's no one around. Gune space. Bega is spaceless. That's how you see Guti. This team is going to lose. You cannot give Abomfukengi their midfielders space in between the defenders and the midfielders. You cannot. Even though the ball does not go to him. But watch. It isn't up. Hey, Jehovah. But watch. You cannot give a player a saw space. That's what they did in the first 10 minutes. Let me show you another clip. From that corner kick, Bafetu. Right? There's no way, Bafetu. There's no way. Whoever Otuman Community must go and coach Kaizer Chiefs. It's disrespecting Kaizer Chiefs. You can't have a professional coach at this level as a coach Kaizer Chiefs, where there's 2 players as a Pirate and then Tina we send 1. Then you want the coach to go and coach the Chiefs. I'm not telling the Chiefs, Bafetu. I'm not a Chiefs fan, but I'm not telling the Chiefs. 2 against 1. Cross almost scored. It's not an offside. Let me take it back. Bafethu nteleli Chiefs. Bomanqoba suka. Now okay, let me take it back. Ngifuna nibone before the ball started. Now, okay, bayasusa ibhola. Now look how many players as the arrows la phambili. 1 2 3. They are not being marked. Right? Angeke senze zonal. Senze zonal marking la phambili. Then you have guys that are free. Still you have someone that is free. Nikate, remember Pirates have been scoring corner kicks, right? Short corner. Yes, this guy is in the right position. But if they start the ball here, who's picking up these 2 guys? Who is picking up this guy? He's all alone, he makes a run. This guy puts them onside. You cannot unsebenzisa ikhanda. You cannot ukuthi kunomuntu oyopressa lapha phambili, right? Uyopressa thina siyapusha but yena akapushanga. Obvious that person uvale ufake everyone this side onside. Bafethu. Obvious uCBC defender niyawazi ama defender awekho delicious. Like ithing idlale futhi simple. Stop saying uManqoba mngithimela coach Chiefs. Nteleli Chiefs. Nteleli Chiefs. Watch here. Bafethu. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. As a coach, hey, there's 2 chances that Police got in the first half and in the second half where he could have used his left foot. He needs to improve with left foot yakhe. Now, Arrows, we all know Pirates plays a 4-2-3-1, right? Arrows was playing a 4-3-2-1. And it bad tactics. Coach a Pirate, because you ukhathaza ama midfielder wakho khathatha. Now watch. This is the central midfielder or one of the midfielders. Thingibuyisele move. Now he's pressing here. He's pressing, but at the same time we are combi takes. Angazi ufuna ukuyemlaza or ufuna ukuyapha or elamonti. Now this guy is supposed to be in front of Police. Sharp. Okay? Watch this guy. He's running there to close down Umfuke. And it's because bayashota phakathi nendawo. Yobe kuyisona. Especially this guy. Yobe kuyisona the whole game. Running all over nje. Now, play. Watch this guy uzoyenzani. He wants to press here. Balidlala la. Because sibancane ku midfield. There's Pirates idlala ngama half 10. Mawangena lama half 10 la baba baningi in the middle of the park. Yenzani Pirates yaphuma. Mfukeng. What a pass. Now, Police left foot. Can trap the ball, ulshaya ngo left. Or set yourself ukuthi uzolshaya ngo left. You're a professional player, ufuna ukudlala eEurope. You must practice, you must use your left foot. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I will do a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships. People who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. Only 15 rand. Or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know about times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Now I'm going to show you why Umangoba should have changed his tactics in the game. If things are not going well, Zisuga, you have to change your tactics. You have to adapt. Adapt, Mfanagiti. After this Chantier Pirates, Bafet. Yeah, I'm going to show you why Niti he failed his players with his tactics. Okay, sharp. Ipolale Pirates, angithi bewa proceed. Now look how much space. Look how much space for a Pirates. I'm sure Amaplayer Pirates were very happy kule game. They had so much room. You cannot play Buffett. You cannot play the Pirates in 4-3-3. So look at remember what I said earlier, right? It's either if we press them, then we open a space behind. You understand? If we don't press them, then Asibeni saw, let's be compact. You don't have to play a low block, but you just have to be compact. You can't be giving away too much space. You can't have 3 midfielders playing Pirates. Luna. Watch. 10, but 13. Look at 2 players, but free. Man. Look how much space. Yo. Mevele babashaya boma 10. 1-on-1. After this, Umangoba should have changed his tactics. Skaba stubborn. First goal, the Pirates. Now, Arrows is attacking. It's 2 against 3. But look at the striker there, not coming to support. This guy can't cross the ball for you there. You need to support him, man. Support, amuna. Sugar. So what? Amara support. Hi, Sugar. Okay. Look how much space. Buffet. Matata Jiao. Hi. Now, stop. Stop ala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7 players as the Arrows. Angeke sonke sizongena eboxini. It's not a free kick, it's not a corner kick. Angeke sonke sizongena eboxini. You can't. These players they're supposed to press here. Angeke sonke sizongena eboxini. Watch. Boxing song. Phakathi inside. Jehovah Christ. Beautiful goal. Cracker lega. It is sonke sigijimele eboxini. No, you don't defend the box, Bafethu. You don't defend the box, you defend the goals. But the most dangerous player is the one that has the ball, not labantu abaseboxini. Okay, simile boxing, they still scored. And then, why were you going into the box? Look, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more goalkeeper. Umuntu okoraya akekho eboxini. Okay, riring. You can't give the Pirates space. Tingathi Pirates. Let me say good teams. You cannot. Throw in. Upress one Mfanagiti. 10. Pass. Angaphosa nokuphosa. Great move. We cannot give Amatima so space. Umuntu uyazi uyatrap uyathena uphuza iarm steady uyapasa. Second goal. Great great free kick. Yeah, okay, sharp. This is a great free kick. But ngiyaphinda futhi. You can't give good players space, Bafethu. Mara Jehovah Mara. Pa. Inside. So easy. I know others bathi ugoalkeeper uthengiwe, right? There's someone who said iPirates uzokushaya ubone ngathi kune brown envelope. Now bafethu, there's one player here, ne? Okay, sharp. This person is not dangerous. Nandi. There's two here, abamakanga muntu. Baye mi fail because this player abamakanga. This guy agamakanga. These two bamaka umuntu oyi-1. La abamakanga. Why play li-1? Lingezi la. Let me take it back. Watch this guy ukuthi bekame kuphi. But the brilliance of Umbat, right? This guy bekamaka Umbat. Sharp. This guy is not picking up anyone. Nala a communicate bafethu. Then watch. Umbata udonsa this guy. Instead of good lo amthatha, he kept le. Non-presses, no bafethu. I suka. Even though I think ukuthi i-Arrows their structure, their game plan was poor, we still need to give credit to the Pirates. When the team is not at your level, the team mayilahlile, you punish them, you finish them. Now 2-0. Just watch. You kept three players again in the middle. Phuma kamnandi. Hamunate Juan could have played the ball early here. Keep it simple, mfanangiti kiss. 2 players free. Hamunati. Nelumunati move. Amstel Arena Mobani. It was nice. It was delicious. Bega bombat. Begumnandi la izolo. Another clip of enjoyment. It was nice. Yesterday, from the right to the left, always rotate the ball. My valile, say change, say switch. Just look at the space in the middle. Hoto matata Z. Hoto matata Z. Hoto matata Z. Hoto matata Z. Bafethu. Look how many players are Arrows la. 6. Goal number 3. Hoto matata Z. Bafethu. Hoto matata Z. Great run there. Passe uthatha ibhola you hold on to the ball isikhathi eside lapha. Play the ball early. There's someone making a run. Even Uhoto, because of scanning, he doesn't realize ukuthi mfana kithi Trap should have passed the ball long. He doesn't realize Uhoto ukuthi he's got time and space to open the Amstel and drink and score. When Zani plays it first time, okay, sharp. Keep the ball, it's okay. Keep the ball. Comes back to the right. No one is closing down the space. While watching, I showed you the clip before Uhoto. Hoto. He ran there. The goal comes. Omunyuya elap. Bafethu. Mangoba mfethu. Yaskis. Second half, Pirates continued. I think we were right? The Arrows played much better. They could have scored. Like I always say in my videos, I'm going to show you one clip. Poor decision making. But let's start with pressing, right? Pressing needs coaching. Don't just press. Now, the Pirates now, he needs to work on this. It's small things nje ezimfaka under pressure, not knowing where to go or where to pass. Sharp. Could have played the ball here. There's space here. He decides to play the ball where? A move. Now, Sibuyele move. Okay. Now, bias press on it. They are pressing us. Okay. They are pressing with 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5 by 3. ngeke balithole banamanga. Move here. Okay, fine. This guy now, pressing needs coaching. This guy or him, one of them, bekangasondela la. One of them, because this guy presses late and he could have won the ball. Let me play it. He doesn't go there. He goes into the space. Now he's going. Now he's going. It is too late. He could have won the ball there. Had he went earlier, instead of going there, ayofuna ukumaka space ngapha. If bekangalithola le bhola leli. Pressing needs coaching. Sorry. Chap, baphumile, siyalwina, siyabanika futhi. Now, nemthanjela. Pass here. Why do you still want to go to the keeper? Why do you still want to go to the keeper? Why? Nangumuntu la, mnike aphume nebhola. Hayi suka. Hayi. Now, watch again. No one is pressing him. He looked this side. No one is pressing him. Tenela ngapha murena. Tenela ka mo uye ka kwa. You still going there. Small things. Small things. If they were playing against a very good team, okay. Bakachuchu. I was just showing you pressing la ne. Ukuthi it was bad. Before I show you the fourth goal, I just want to show you something. There's certain things that you can't teach a player. You can't buy them. You can't buy those things. Yeah, and Umfukeng has that thing. You can't buy it. But to Apolis. Now a diagonal pass, ne? Mara, this defender. Mfanagiti. Mfanagiti. No. People are the same way and you don't go and attack. Sugar. Now watch this. Bafethu. No. I know. Goal number 4. Ezinye izinto bafethu. Hey, angeke asazi man ukuthi brown envelope or kanjani. Mara this mfana kithi. Bafethu. Now uyasherela. Now uyakhipha. Now uyakhipha uyasherela. Now beautiful finish. Take nothing away from Umfukeng. Great run, great composure. Hey, great composure. Mara, I just want to show you something. Reaction. Perfect. Reaction, right? There's 7 different types of speed in the game. And one of them is when you lose the ball, how fast can you react? You can't lose the ball and then you are still jogging, then you are still thinking. No, you react, you lose the ball, you go. You understand? Now look at this guy now as well. He loses the ball, not looking at the ball, he wants to go there, thinking Guti, teammate Uzo trappy ball. Now look at his reaction. He goes there. Instead of going to the ball. Go to the ball. Instead of going and then you decide to go there. Bafethu. Pass the net, just like that. Alona keeper mfana kithi. La re tunusetsa fela nje. Decision making. Poor decision making. The last 2 clips, poor decision making. Wetito. Ta. Now, it is 2 against 1. It's 2 against 1. 2 against 1. It's 2 against 1. Pass omunye umntwana. Angeke nifuna ukukora, nina nifuna ukukora nodwa. Why ningaphasa abanye abantwana? Yeah, last time you scored in hat-trick, sharp. Okay, fine. But phasa abanye abantwana. Phasa omunye umntwana askorela abanye abantwana nabo bakora. pass the ball here, this guy will cross for abanye abantwana la. Kanti nifuna ukukora wonke ama-goal. Nayenye bese ngiyayivala. Pirates wins the ball. Counter attack. 4 against 2. Pasa man, pasa. Why you greedy? Why li batla ukora li libanga? Why ningaphasa abanye abantwana? Man, ngiyekelana ukuba selfish. Aw, ngiyekelana ukuba senikorile bafethu. You know how nice it is ukuthi ama teammates akona. Nina nifuna ukora ninodwa. Suka. Why bekangaphasi? Umlungu bekangekho offside. Ngiyekelana ukuba greedy bafethu. Imagine team spirit, team morale. If everyone nama substitute mawangena, bayakora kuba mnandi. Mara nina nifuna ukora ninodwa, anifuna ukuphasa abanye abantwana. Bafethu. Stop being greedy, man. Man, stop being greedy. Now do the right thing, bafethu. Now stop greedy with the sharing. It's free, bafethu. Subscribing is free. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.